The more things change, the more they stay the same. This is what I looked like in 1989, and guess what I was making? Chicken salad. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Chicken Box. This is our bag lady cooler this morning. So you know we started this business out of our home in 1989 with $200. And this is some of the original things that we did. Our trio sandwiches, it's just, I've made so many, and it's such a good meal for folks. This is a half of an egg salad, half a chicken salad, and half a pimento cheese. So you get a sandwich and a half for $9.99. I think in '89 it was $4.99. I think it was $5. No, I know it wasn't, because our most expensive item was $5, and that was a garden salad with chopped grilled chicken on it. So whenever you come down here to Savannah and check out the Chicken Box, you're gonna find there's trios every day. This morning I've got broccoli salads going, we've got coleslaw, always fresh fruit. Y'all won't believe, I have hunted watermelons all summer, and the best watermelon I found of the year was this week in October. That is a sweet, delicious watermelon. I was so excited to find it. Pineapples with blackberries, beautiful cucumber salads. If y'all tuned in before, you saw we made that on episode. Chicken salad on croissants forever and ever and ever. Later, I'm gonna make some chicken salad. We're gonna do buffalo chicken sliders, which I love. Give you a quick preview of it. Maybe I'll make it for you one day. My traditional chicken salad, but I don't put any eggs in it. I put a few extra celery in it, and then spice it up with some cashews. Oh my gosh, I put it on little Hawaiian rolls with some shredded iceberg lettuce and some chopped up tomatoes. Come on in, brother. We always open. Don't let a little filming stop you. It is delicious. We serve 3 of those, and that's our hot sandwich of the day, and it's $7.99. So always lots of good things. It's a long trip down memory lane every morning for me. Every morning for me. When I'm putting trio sandwiches in there. And there's one other thing that Mom wanted me to share with y'all while we're here today. This is fun. Y'all come here. Let me show you. Hey, babe, how are you?
Good, man. I hope you are.
I am. I can put you a big salad together in 2 seconds. Oh, this ain't nothing. Okay.
I got you.
All right, y'all. When we were back working as hard as we could be in the kitchen, we didn't have any time to eat. And Brandon, I don't remember your last name. Brandon, I love you.
Jones.
No, not be loved. Brandon, our server. We came up with this together. This, y'all, is a handle sandwich. Try to keep up. 1 piece of bread. 1 chicken leg. A little bit of hot sauce. And just like that, you have a handle sandwich. It's the only sandwich with a handle. Woo. It's as good as it's always been. I'm Jamie Deen. It's a Chicken Box. See y'all around the kitchen. I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.